How to fix beauty mode on TikTok. So if you want to fix your beauty mode on TikTok, then what you can do is simply open up your TikTok application. Once you open your TikTok application, now you can simply go for the bottom plus icon, and from here you can go for the upper right or the right side where you will have beautify option. So that's the beauty mode. You can simply tap on that beautify, and from here you can adjust your facial structure or the makeup that you would like. So this is how you can use your beauty mode. But if you're not being able to find this beauty mode filter or find this beauty mode option on your TikTok, then what you can do is simply remove your TikTok application from your background and then open up your Play Store or your App Store and make sure that you have a stable internet connection and search for TikTok. Go and tap on open. Here you will have your TikTok, right? So if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you need to simply tap on update and update your application, because if your app is not up to date, then you might find some kind of problems. And once you've updated, you can go back and then you can simply tap and hold on to your TikTok application. Go for app info, tap on storage and cache, and tap on clear cache. Once you clear your cache, now your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you can simply uninstall your application and then you can again install it from your Play Store or your App Store, and you can log into your account and that might fix your problem. So that's it. That's how you fix your beauty mode on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.